So here we are at the beach. Sun's getting low. Gonna make a move. There's the old Harley, possibly. There's the beach over there. So we're going to have a look at the bronze statue first. That's just down here. We're walking on gravel. Some more gardens, trees. So we're going to have a look at the water feature and the bronze statue, then take a walk to the beach right next door. So there's our water feature. That's the bronze statue. She's got some tarnishing, but she's bronze, obviously. But yeah. So let's go to the beach, eh? And we're going to go to the pier, if that's what we want to call it. That one there. And go listen to some waves. Quite calming. And that's there really. Anyway. Our foreshore. There's some seating. Let's go for these waves. Old birds singing. Don't know if you can hear that, possibly can. If I can, you should be out there, but you never know. Hear those waves breaking. Just lovely sound. Waves breaking on the sand. Could listen to this all day, but we've got to get going to the waterfall, so sign off. Waterfall next. Well guys, we've made it. We've found our waterfall. Not the biggest in the world, but nevertheless, it's still a waterfall. There's any fish in there or not. Can't see any with my bare eyes. I'm sure there probably is. It's easy to see them on the screen actually. So, if you're waiting for one live, at the moment I think I'm an hour late, so just going to get this in and then I'll set up my live and start streaming for you guys. If anyone's waiting, then again, if you're not, you can watch it after. So, anyone see any fish? Must be some in here somewhere. Unless they put chemicals in it, which I doubt. So anyway, let's take a look around this place. Just so I can get a little bit closer to that path, to the waterfall. Let's see if we can do that quickly. Don't want to take too long. Got people waiting on our live. So try to be as quick as I can be. Don't want to keep people waiting. So, there's the waterfall I promised. Next time I'll try for a bigger one. Let's look at the rest of this place, eh? I don't think there's very much. There's a couple of ponds, a couple of benches. I don't think there's any animals. But yeah, something to watch, something to look at. Bit of nature for your soul. Take a look back at the waterfall. I won't be able to do my live too long because I've got to catch a bus in about half an hour, so might be 20 minutes for the live maybe, if I can get it going. Got to jump a few hoops to get that online, so we'll see. Should be able to do it, but it might take me 10-20 minutes to get that going, which kills our time on the live. So anyway, keep a lookout for it. I'm sure I'll get at least 5 minutes on there. I think I can afford that. But it's going to be dark in about, I don't know, half an hour or a little bit more. So anyway, see what else is around here. Babbling Brook. Anyway. So we're walking back to the waterfall a bit, and I'll get set up for my live, eh? There's our Piddly Widdly waterfall, the native trees. So anyway guys, I think I'll leave it at that. This may be the end of the video, but I may actually find something to stick on the end, but you never, actually, yeah, I'll decide whether or not to put that on the end or in the middle, so there'll be another part, so if you don't see it, if this is the last thing at the end, you know I'll put it in the middle. So signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course like the video. Even put a comment on what's your thoughts on it. What do you want to see? Let me know. I'll see if I can get it done for you. So that's it for now. See you later guys and girls. So as you can see, well, not as well as in the eye, but you can sort of see that the water feature by the bronze statue gets lit up at night time. So over here I might as well take another look past the bronze statue, because it's sort of on our way back. Right, this might be the end of our video. We'll find out later. Here we are on our way back home. A lot later than I was expecting, about an hour at least. So the sun is down. What you see on the video is brighter than what I can see. Keep the phone out of the shot, I suppose. Should say the reflection. halfway of the home trip, video wise, because I'm only showing the countryside, not the city. probably 20 feet high, so yeah, it comes around about that. There's not much light over that way. Check out how the live went. Doesn't look like I used any data, so I couldn't have gone that well. Here's our roundabout. The roundabout sort of way. So, we're now coming into town. That's us, folks. This will be at the end of the video, I take it. So, see you on the next one.